Hey guys, how we doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. So a quick update here on the Dominator and DMT updates, bot updates. So we've got the 15-minute Bitcoin DMT here. So you can see it took a sell trade at this level here earlier on today. It's not really moved much. It went initially nearly 1%. And then a little bit offside, and currently he's basically sat around about his entry level. So the DMT, obviously there's not a lot of volatility here, so the DMT buy line is coming down pretty fast. I mean, you can see that's only in the 6,800s and prices in the 6,700s midway through, so we are close to this price in the 15-minute DMT. But that is testament to the low volatility that we've had today, that this can move down that quick. 25-minute Dominator got a sell trade. It flip-flopped about a bit. We got a sell here, price went up, but then we got a buy here, price went down. Then finally we got a sell here, and then price did come down. So yeah, this is obviously a bit of a chop zone, so it's not the ideal scenario. I mean, basically this amount of volatility we've got in the market at the moment, this declining volatility, is not ideal for the bots, basically. For the settings that we've got, they sort of need bigger moves, higher volatility, for them obviously to then trigger and then keep moving in that direction. Ethereum 15-minute, is this Ethereum 15-minute? It is. Ethereum 15-minute still hasn't got down to the sell here. So that's still in the buy trade. The sell is around $154. And Ethereum 25-minute Dominator, well, took a sell trade and then went up a bit. Took about, yeah. So I mean, again, the volatility is not massive here either. You can, as obviously you can see. So we're just flip-flopping around, not really doing much, to be honest. So yeah. So there we go. That is the bot update. I mean, the larger time frame, I'm still quite bearish. Think that we can potentially, we should be working this way down, but obviously the longer we don't make our way down, the longer that the bears don't take control of this market, obviously the chance, sorry, just on the Ethereum here on Bitcoin. I mean, the longer the bears don't take control of this market and this move, and basically they don't get paid, basically the shorts don't get paid, they may then basically start to cover. Bulls might start to have a go, see if they can get us a move up, and then we could go up. So we are close to the halving, so we've got to be cognizant of that fact. But yeah, so that's what we've got to do today. Just waiting for the big move, waiting for the big move again. I mean, I thought it was initiated when we got down here, then sort of retested the line, but we're still holding up. I mean, obviously we can still drop down at any point here, but yeah, but the fact we haven't, when bulls have had every opportunity, sorry, bears have had every opportunity to take us down, and they haven't. Maybe they are a bit apprehensive of the halving, or I don't know what they're thinking, but hey, we'll see. Anyway, so thanks for listening. Dan from Trading with Dan here. Remember, it's not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, and I'll speak to you guys soon.